You all must have seen so many videos on how to overcome procrastination, but have you ever wondered that why do you actually procrastinate? Why is it that we can binge watch Netflix for hours, but taking a lecture for 2 hours seems such a big deal? Why is it that one person can study for so many hours continuously, but on the other hand, a person cannot even concentrate for 15 minutes? Well, the answer to this is a brain neurotransmitter, dopamine. What is dopamine? So dopamine is a neurotransmitter which is released by our brain whenever we do any activity. So it is actually the transmitter which generates a desire in us. So whenever it generates a desire, we feel motivated to do that activity again and again. Now there are activities which releases less amount of dopamine, and there are activities which release more amount of dopamine. So the more the amount of dopamine our brain releases, the more the motivation we get to do that activity again and again. So activities like studying, exercising, meditating releases very less dopamine for some people, whereas activities like binge watching Netflix, eating junk, playing games releases huge amount of dopamine in our brains. That is why we are more inclined to do activities like playing games and binge watching Netflix rather than studying or reading a book. Okay, you might think that this is not harmful for your body. It's not like I'm smoking or drinking or anything, but let me tell you two things about your body. First, your body adapts. For example, if you're going in a like low temperature area, then your body starts shivering because it wants to generate heat in your body. And if you go in a like high temperature area, then your body will start sweating so that it releases the excess heat out of your body. Now the second thing that you should know, that is tolerance. Your body develops a tolerance. If we take two people, one is an alcoholic and one is a normal person who doesn't drink that often. So the alcoholic will get drunk after, let's say, 4 bottles, and if we talk about the normal person will get drunk after 3 or 4 glasses maybe. Okay, so you see, the alcoholic needs more of alcohol to get drunk because his body has developed a tolerance. Similarly, our body develops a tolerance for dopamine also. So once your body has developed the dopamine tolerance, you won't get satisfied, you won't get the motivation to do activities which release low level of dopamine, and you will be like continuously doing activities, you will be continuously craving for activities which release high levels of dopamine. In fact, in some cases, the dopamine tolerance is so much that it eventually leads to depression. Now, what to do, how to correct yourself, how to make it right? See, I will tell you that how this will work, so that you know that what I'm telling you for your body, for your mind. See, if I give you like if you're eating every day from amazing hotels, different foods, you're trying out different cuisines, and then I come and I give you a sukhi roti, will you have that? No. But if you're in a desert and I come and give you a sukhi roti, then you will be more than happy to have it. Similarly, this will work. You need to do dopamine detox, so that you get the motivation, your body gets the motivation to do something. Okay, your body satisfies from low level dopamine activities only, and you like start studying and all whatever you want to do, but you cannot do. Okay, so now what should you do? See, there are two types of detox that you can try. First type is that you pick one day out of your whole week, in which on that day you won't be using your YouTube, Netflix, लाइक फ़ोन की जितनी भी चीज़ें होती हैं, नो यूट्यूब, नो नेटफ्लिक्स, डोंट ईट एनी जंक, देन नो व्हाट्सएप, नो स्नैपचैट, नो इंस्टाग्राम. एंड व्हाट्सएप पे इफ़ समथिंग important comes up, install the WhatsApp and delete it again. So you can do that 1 week, 1 day, or you can do what I did. I continuously gave up all these things for a period of time, and for me it was 10 days. So in that duration, my productivity, I have seen, I actually wanted to vlog and tell you how I am feeling, and I did actually, but there was something wrong with my mic, and nothing was recorded. So anyways, so what you can do, it worked really well for me. Like, I was so motivated to study, you won't believe that I was actually watching the lectures while I was having my meals. So I was this much motivated to study. So I will really recommend you to follow this. Give up social media. I'm not saying to give up social media like forever. Obviously kabhi na kabhi you can download it, but give it up for a few days, or not for a few days, then obviously the first method is always available, that 1 day in 1 week. That's it, guys. If you like this video, if you understood this whole theory, then do like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to my channel. And I wanted this video to be perfect, इसलिए इतना time लगा. Anyways, thank you. Bye.